Good morning, students. Welcome back to the learning classes. This is your GK period. I hope you all are good. So, students, today we will continue with our GK syllabus. Alright, so all of you be ready with your GK books. The lesson that we are going to do today is lesson number 6, Historical Monuments. It is given on page number 14. Alright, so all of you be ready with your GK books. So students, there are many historical monuments and buildings which is built by great emperors. Alright, so we will study about those buildings and monuments. Alright, so now let's start our today's work. So students, let's start our today's work. So all of you be ready with your GK books. And the lesson that we are going to do today is lesson 6, Historical Monuments. It is given on page number 14th. So all of you open your books, page number 14th. First of all, write down today's date. Today is 28th 4th 2021. Write down CW and underline it. Alright. So our lesson is historical monuments. Students, there are many historical monuments and or building you can say which is built by great emperors. So we will study about those monuments. They are our heritage. Alright, so let's start. Monuments are symbol of a country's history. So monuments are the symbols of country's history. What was the history of that country? The old monuments represent that. India has a rich history and culture, and India has a very rich history and culture. It is famous all over the world. We have many historical monuments across the country. There are many historical monuments which is built by great emperors across the country. People from all over the world come to visit these monuments. Identify the monuments with the help of the hints given below. You all have to identify these monuments with the help of the hints given below. Here picture is given to you and hint is also given. You all have to identify which monument is this and write the name. Okay, so let's start. Number 1. It is located in Old Delhi and was the home of Mughal emperors for 200 years. Alright, so which monument is located in Old Delhi and it is the home of Mughal emperor for 200 years. It is Red Fort. R-E-D, Red Fort. It is the home of Mughal emperors. So let's move to the next one. Number 2. It is located in New Delhi and its earlier name was All India War Memorial. So which place is located in New Delhi and was earlier known as All India War Memorial? So it is earlier known as All India War Memorial. Now it is known as India Gate. Okay. So this is India Gate. As you can see in the picture given, this is India Gate. And its earlier name was All India War Memorial. So our answer will be India Gate. Next one, number 3. It was built by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh and is located in Jaipur. So which monument or building is built by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh? This building has 953 windows. How many windows? Now 953 windows are there in this monument. So which building is this? this is Hawa Mahal. This is Hawa, H-A-W, Hawa Mahal, M-A-H-A-L, Mahal. Students, please don't do the spelling mistakes. Alright, so this is Hawa Mahal. There are 953 windows. As you can see, there are many windows. So total number of windows is 953 in this building, this Hawa Mahal. Alright, so let's move further to next one. Number 4. This 13th century temple is located near the holy city of Puri in Odisha. It is dedicated to the sun god. So which temple is this? It is located in the holy city of Puri in Odisha. It is dedicated to sun god. So which temple is this? This is Konark Sun Temple. K-O-N-A-R-K, Konark Sun Temple. It is located in Puri. Students learn each and every sentence, everything while learning GK. Alright? Because question can be asked from anywhere. Alright? This, number 5th, this half open lotus shaped structure is located in New Delhi. This is a monument or building which is located in New Delhi, and it is half open lotus and is also called the Baha'i temple. So which temple is this? This is Lotus Temple, and it is located in New Delhi. Alright, so this is Lotus Temple, as it looks like a lotus. So this is Lotus Temple. L-O-T-U-S, Lotus Temple. Next one, number 6. It was built in the memory of Queen Victoria in Kolkata and is currently a museum. This building is built in the memory of Queen Victoria and it is located in Kolkata. Now it is a museum. Now people come from all over the world to visit this place as a museum. So which place is this? This is Victoria Memorial. V-I-C-T-O-R-I-A, Victoria Memorial. So this is Victoria Memorial. Students, so these are the 6 monuments and buildings. There are many more buildings also in our country. So these are the 6 buildings. People from all over the world come to visit these places. These are our historical heritage, so we should be proud of them. So now, did you know, of all the buildings in the world, the Hawa Mahal happens to be the tallest one without a foundation. So this Hawa Mahal, this is Hawa Mahal, and it is the tallest building all over the world, which is without foundation. Alright, it is the tallest building, but there is no foundation in this building. So it is the tallest building all over the world. So students, these are the 6 questions that we will do in lesson 6. So now it's your homework time. Write down your today's homework. Your homework, GK. Today is 28th 4th 2021. learn lesson 6 from your book. So you all have to learn lesson 6 from your book. All right, this is lesson 6 which we have done just now. So you all will complete your work, get it checked by me during your class, then you will learn it. This is your homework. All right, I hope it is clear to you all. So students, that's all in this video. If you are having any confusion, you can ask me and clear your doubts. I am here to explain you. All right, so thank you so much. See you in the next video.